Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. I'll show you the setup as well, and in the end I'll give you a quick review on it. So Samsung has recently launched their new wireless earbuds and they are called the Galaxy Buds Live. The most obvious difference from the last Buds Plus is the new shape of Buds Live. They are designed in a bean shape. Other improved features are it has an ergonomic fit, it gives 6 to 21 hours of playtime, which means the battery life is more improved call quality, and it has new active noise cancellation. It comes in 3 different colors: Mystic White, Mystic Black, and Mystic Bronze. So let's open and check out the earbuds. Here you can see on the top I have the buds, and at the bottom there is a box of accessories. The top of the box lid is a quick start guide. Checking the box now. It has a USB Type A to Type C charging cable, and there is an additional pair of wingtips which are different in size than the ones currently on the earbuds. Let's check out the buds now. It has a square shaped case with a glossy finish. You can also customize it with the case. I'm going to get one. On the back, there is a Type-C USB slot for charging. There is an LED light in the front, and this is the bottom of the case. Let's open the case now. Wow, they have a really unique look. Going to take them out. I can feel the resistance. There is a magnet inside which doesn't let them fall. When I close the case, even the case has a magnet, so it remains closed. When you open it, you can see a green indicator light, which means it is fully charged. It has 2 indicator lights. When I close the case, it has a green indicator light at the bottom, which means it is charged, but if it turns red, it means it needs to be charged. The case is very easy to open and close. So let's take a look at the Buds Live very closely. They have a totally different design than all other earbuds. They have triple microphone setup. At the back, there is one microphone here, the second one is here, and the third one is here. The speakers are at the bottom here, and in the middle there is a sensor which senses that it is inside your ear. This is the part which will go in your ear, and you can also fix the other wingtip if you want. I have a smaller wingtip fixed here, and here is the bigger one. So you can change according to your ear size. These earbuds are compatible with both Android and iOS. I have a Samsung Galaxy phone here. Next, let's pair these up with the phone. For that, you open the case, and in a few seconds a pop-up will appear, and here we are. A new device has been detected. Let's connect. Now it's showing the percentage of the earbuds and the case. Next, I'm going to open the Galaxy Wearable app. Select Galaxy Buds Live, and it says congrats on your new Galaxy Buds Live. Continue, and you get a quick guide on these buds. They connected so quickly, and now go ahead and get to know the earbuds. It lets you know how to wear the earbuds. Make sure the speaker at the bottom goes in the ear canal. These are a bit different. Then here are the touch controls. Tap to play or pause, double tap to play the next one or answer or end a call, triple tap for restarting the track, then touch and hold where you can change the settings or decline a call. For case battery level, it is red under 30%, yellow between 30 to 60%, and green when more than 60. Here it tells you about pairing with a phone or tablet, and it tells you how you connect with another device if your phone is already connected to your mobile phone. Let's quickly go through the features of Galaxy Wearable app with the Galaxy Buds. It shows the percentage of the buds, and here is the battery percentage of the case. Next is active noise cancelling. You can turn it on or off. And there is an equalizer here which is set to normal. You can change it to bass boost, soft, dynamic, and change how the audio is coming out from the buds. Next here is touch controls, where you can change the left and right touch and hold options. I have different options here. For example, you can choose the volume control option. I like this feature because you just touch the earbuds and you can easily increase or decrease the volume. Then here is read notifications allowed. If you want to hear certain notifications through earbuds, you can set them here. Here are some advanced settings. In labs, there are some experimental features of gaming mode and relief pressure with ambient sound when you are not using the noise cancelling. And we have here find my earbuds option. It lets you find the earbuds if you lose them. You hear a beep or a bird sound when they're out of the case. And it gets louder. Once you find them, you stop and go ahead. Now it's time to test the sound of the earbuds. I hear a little beep sound in my ear when I fix them, which lets me know that the bud is fitted properly in my ear. Let's play some music. The sound and bass is quite clear and loud. Now let's have a quick test of the touch controls. I tapped my bud once and it did pause the music. I did double tap and the track has been changed. It skipped the song. I will triple tap now. And you can see that the song has been restarted. So it seems that it's working pretty well. And I also turned on the active noise cancellation. For that, I think the background noise is not totally blocked. They reduce low frequencies only. Maybe because of the fitting, the earbuds are a bit loose, but I think it is good because if the earbuds are tight, you can't wear them for long. It has a great battery life. It can work 8 hours straight when the active noise cancellation is off, but if you turn it on, the battery will work for 6 hours. The call quality is really improved because it has 3 microphones, which I showed you earlier. So overall, I actually really liked them. They are very comfortable to wear and I don't actually feel them. I can wear them for hours. I feel the sound quality is really good. So if you want a good sound quality with a good and less active noise cancellation, so these are a perfect pair of earbuds for you. So I hope my video was helpful for you guys. Give a big like to my video and let me know in the comments about this updated design of Samsung earbuds. Hit the subscribe button because more videos are on the way. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next video. Take care and stay blessed.